Calibration is complete. Looks good.
Maintain the current speed.
The stabilizer levels are holding steady at 98%. Good, let's maintain the current dosing rate. Check the tension on line 3.
Reading optimal. I've adjusted the spacing by 2 millimeters.
Sensor array confirms uniform consistency across the sheet.
Real-time adjustments are holding steady. We are good to proceed.
The sensors are confirming an even coat at 98% consistency.
Excellent. Maintain the current rotation speed.
We're showing green across the board now. The pressure adjustments worked. Excellent. Excellent. The flow streams are completely stable.
The signature stacking formation system ensures perfect symmetry. High-speed alignment arms precisely place each chip, minimizing breakage.
Here in the sealing chamber, automated lid pressing machines use precise heat and pressure, while the QA team ensures flawless execution.
We're showing a slight variance on the third stack.
Yeah, I'm normalizing the pressure settings right here.
We need to adjust the traffic flow near the main transfer station. I see it. The current utilization rate is below target efficiency. We have a priority alert on shipment 7B.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the route for crane C.
Truck 4002, proceed to Gate Charlie. I repeat, Gate C. Confirming container scan complete.
The alignment on roller 7 is still off by 2 degrees.
Applying counter tension now. Check the reading.
We need to reroute the southeast shipments.
The automated loaders are already adjusting the manifests.